Unraveling Strapping, a guide to understanding this descriptive English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a term that you might have encountered in books, movies, or even in everyday conversation. The word is strapping, an adjective that often sneaks its way into English descriptions, especially when characterizing someone's physical appearance. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp what it means but also know how to use it in your own sentences. So, let's strap in and get started. When we describe someone as strapping, what picture comes to mind? Typically, strapping refers to a person, often a man, who is tall, strong, and physically imposing. It's a word that evokes the image of robust health and impressive physique. For example, imagine a young man who plays sports and has a very muscular build. You might say, the team's new player is a strapping young man, well suited for the challenges of the game. Curious about where this term comes from? Strapping, originally related to the word strap, referring to a strip of leather. Think of it this way: if a person was as sturdy and tough as a piece of leather, they were described as strapping. Over time, the term came to signify strength and a robust physique without any direct reference to leather. Now that we know what strapping means, let's put it into practice. Here are a few examples. In admiration, have you met her brother? He's quite the strapping lad. In storytelling, the hero of the story was a strapping knight who could wield a sword with unmatched skill. In everyday conversation, I need someone strapping to help me move this furniture. Notice that strapping is often followed by a noun, like lad, knight, or a young man, to specify who is being described. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for strapping include robust, sturdy, muscular, athletic. But remember, synonyms can have slight differences in meaning and usage, so always consider the context. Can we use strapping for non-human subjects? While it's less common, it's possible when giving a strong, capable quality to objects. For example, the strapping oak doors of the ancient castle stood tall for centuries. Here, strapping gives the doors a robust and durable quality. I hope this dive into the word strapping has given you a new descriptive tool for your English vocabulary toolkit. Whether you're describing a robust individual or want to add some strength to your prose, strapping is a word that packs a punch. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until our next linguistic adventure, happy speaking!